Hey, what's going on, guys? I thought today I would show kind of like a cool, fun, quick way, easy, one, two, three step of just drawing like kind of like an easy, nothing too crazy profile view of a Spider-Man. I thought this video would be fun. Nothing, too complicated. I also do believe in keeping drawing fun, right? I think sometimes getting lost in the fundamentals and getting good at art can take away the fun. So I thought I'd do like a quick tutorial of how to draw like an easy Spider-Man. Because I have a niece and I have nieces and a nephew, and my niece, my oldest niece, she loves Spider-Man. So sometimes when the kids are around and stuff like that, or maybe when you're out about, sometimes I'll just do a quick, like Spider-Man, signature Spider-Man, and just kind of give it out. I kind of got the idea from some of the comic book guys, like Jim Lee, David Finch, those sort of dudes, and I love how good Jim Lee is with a Sharpie. If you've seen Jim Lee draw with a Sharpie, it's pretty appealing to see. He's really good with a Sharpie. So I was like, oh, let me do something quick, just something similar. Right? I can just give out to friends and families, and maybe you're at a party or something. Give them like a little quick sketch. Everyone likes Spider-Man. So today we're gonna draw Spider-Man. Spider-Man's my favorite superhero, and you don't need nothing crazy. I have just a regular number 2 pencil. I kind of grabbed the kind of like the most dorkiest plain pencil you can see or find. This is just printer paper, nothing crazy, just to show that anyone can do this. Everyone has a pencil. There's some paper somewhere, right? Ask a family member. Nice, simple. All I'm going to be using is only a pencil and a Sharpie. That's it. If you don't have a Sharpie, that's fine. You can just totally do this with a pencil. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna be very gestural, very loose with it. So just gonna start off with a circle, right? And you may or may not be able to see this because I'm being very, very faint with the pencil strokes. But after doing the circle, you want to come up and down, so like a cross, right? Like I said, something nice and simple. And come down here, and this is where we're gonna be the indication for the jaw, right? It's coming out this way, like that. And now we're gonna come up in this angle like that. There you go. And you can already start to see the side profile view. And the reason why I do with a underlined sketch first is so I don't lose my sense of proportion. Um, the point of this is to do it obviously without reference, to be quick and fast with it. But sometimes I still rely on an underlying sketch so I don't lose my sense of proportion. If I was to just go at it with a Sharpie, um, though I should try to attempt it with just a Sharpie instead of using the underlying sketch first. But it's for the sake of the tutorial, I'm doing it with a pencil. All right. And then right here, this is where we're going to throw in some neck muscles here. So like right under there, because it's side profile view. Throw some of this there. There you go. And then this is where we can go into draw the mask. And what helps me to like memorize the shape of the mask from a side profile view is I kind of think of like an almond, shape, almost a tear shape for Spider-Man's eye. Right, and then we just kind of go over it again to kind of give it that thickness to the mask, right? And at this point, we get what everyone hates to draw about Spider-Man is obviously the webbing, right? Which is just a lot of contouring. But what helps me to visualize the mask is just like a basketball, right? So just come out here. It's like, and then remember you want to curve with the form, right? As you're going around it like a basketball, right? Think about like drawing a basketball. You have all these contour lines around it, right? That's how you want to look at it when drawing the webbing, because you also don't want it to look flat. So I just count the webbing. So like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So 6 webbings across, or vertically, and then we go across horizontally. One like this, that, boom, boom, boom. And now it's just kind of like connecting the dots, right, at this point. Just connecting. Boom. Sorry if you hear like other stuff in the background. The family's here and stuff like that. Just quickly recording. And then we pretty much have almost, for the most part. Don't forget the neck too, right? Boom, 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 like that way. Boom, boom. Now that we've kind of have like, for the most part, everything kind of like established with our pencils, we can come in for the fun part with the Sharpie. And this is where the fun begins. So now I can essentially trace or go over essentially these guidelines. When I found out my niece loves Spider-Man, I was like, really? You know? I said, that surprised me, for a girl to like Spider-Man. Not saying girls can't like Spider-Mans, but it just took me by surprise, And come in here and just shade in the patch, right, the side of the mask. Kind of give it a little reflection right there. Come in. Now we get to do the webbing. So sometimes, like, my niece knows I draw. And sometimes when she's like fed up with me, she's like, Tim, go back in your room and draw. She's like, that's all you do. One time I was drawing with her, right? We were drawing some Disney characters. And she's like, what are you doing drawing out here? I'm like, I'm drawing with you. She's like, but you don't draw out here. She's like, you draw in your room. And I thought that was the funniest thing ever. Because most of my time I am drawing in my room. But, rarely do I ever go out and draw. So it was funny because it's true. What she's saying is true. I do just stay in my room and draw. So she's like, what are you doing out here? So what are you talking about? I'm drawing with you. Can't draw with you? Okay. Sometimes she'll sabotage my drawings. Like, we'll draw something, she'll see what I'm drawing, she knows it's good, she likes it, and she'll draw over it. And so just come in here, we're going to do some hatch marks. Kind of get that nice little comic book hatching going on, aesthetic with the Sharpie. Don't forget the neck. There you go. And nice, quick, easy side profile Spider-Man. Nice signature Spider-Man going on here. There you go. And boom. Go in with your signature, right? I'll do mine's. Year 2026. Boom, boom. There you go. Got yourself a Spider-Man. So if you guys like this, just like the video. I thought I would do something fun, simple, and easy. Anyone can do an easy kind of kids tutorial, if you want to call it that. So with that being said, stay safe, God bless, and most importantly, never stop drawing. All right, guys. Bye-bye.